the summer of love.
Hello everyone, it's Snaps here, welcome back to another video. So, yeah, we are going to play some CSR2, and I've actually just downloaded it and got into it. So I wanted to, just play it for a bit. So yeah, here we go. This is the first thing we do, basically. Okay, it's pretty cool actually. And by the way, we'll be doing another Undaunted Dash review soon, probably tomorrow. I'm not exactly sure, yeah, probably tomorrow. And yeah, thank you guys for the support lately. I've really, I've been so happy with the support that I've had. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. And yeah. Okay, it's a bit laggy though, I think. Let's buy a car. Let's see which one. Okay, tier 1 car. Well, we have to start low. I'm probably be making a series on CSR. So yeah. It's an alright car. Let's see this. I'm not exactly sure which one I should get. I'll go for this one. Yeah, I don't know, I just feel like it. Okay, yeah. So if any of you play it and then you think that's a really bad choice, but quite new, so don't exactly know. Let's customize it quickly. There we go. Let's race, okay? So 10 subscribers will be doing like a fan thing, then just comment down below on any of the videos, say at 10 subscribers I want you to do this, and then I will try and do it. Oh. And then the cake. Strawberries pretty bad there. Keep on checking my video that I've done, my jump dash thing. That's probably going to be uploaded before this, so I'm not sure. Let's change it. Didn't make it snaps. Let's customize it if we can. No, we can't. We have to race. Can I just customize it, please? I got highly into it. I got 26%. Woo! Yeah, okay. I'll race you. Oh, no. I've not even played this. Yeah. I'm probably not going to be recording any more videos today because I might go Might go on my bike a little bit or something like that, so I'm not sure. But yeah, that car's alright. Really good. Perfect shift. Very good shifts. No. Oh my god, so annoying. Well, I'm trying again. No. Oh no. I feel so bad right now. Oh, we can upgrade stuff now. This is good. Ooh, fancy. Not that fancy, but you know what I mean. Come on, Angel. I want to. I don't think you're the Angel. I think you're a devil. So yeah, we're gonna be finishing Angel in this episode, and then we're gonna be doing other series kind of thing. So yeah, I think I lost because of my my start, because it was a Wilson start, so it was very, very bad because I finished quite close to Angel. So probably if I manage to go and get a bit better of a start, then I could win. I completely forgot the shift then. I'm catching up. No. Yes. Who won? Oh my god. That was the closest thing ever. Oh my god. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to smash that like button and just tap that subscribe button. And yeah, so, and hope to see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed, and see you later. But peace out. Technical issue.